Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure business finances with QuickBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To configure business finances with QuickBooks, start by setting up your QuickBooks account. Begin by visiting the QuickBooks website and selecting the appropriate product for your business needs. Sign up for an account by providing the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and business type. Once your account is created, log into QuickBooks. Next, you'll want to set up your company profile. Enter your business name, address, and contact information. Make sure to select the industry that best represents your business for better customization options. After setting up your business profile, you will proceed to configure your accounting settings. Go to the Settings menu and choose the Accounting section. Select your preferred accounting method, either cash or accrual, based on your business operations. Next, set up your chart of accounts to categorize your financial transactions. Add accounts such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses that are relevant to your business. You can also customize account names and numbers as needed. After setting up accounts, it's time to link your bank accounts. Navigate to the Banking section and select Link Account. Follow the prompts to connect your business bank account securely. Once linked, QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions for easier management. Now, let's focus on configuring invoices. Go to the Sales menu and select Invoices. Customize your invoice template by adding your business logo and preferred design elements. Set up payment terms and conditions that you want to offer your clients. Next, you'll want to configure payroll settings if you have employees. Navigate to the Payroll section and follow the prompts to set up employee information, including wages and benefits. Make sure to enter tax information accurately to ensure compliance. Once payroll is set up, review the sales tax settings. Find the Taxes section within the Settings menu. Input the sales tax rate applicable to your business based on your location. Afterwards, check your expense tracking settings. Go to the Expenses section and input common vendors and expense categories. This will make it easier to categorize and track business spending. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.